everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create an AgentForce agent in Salesforce Developer Org. There are three ways of creating an agent. We can either create a setup agent, and we'll show you how in this tutorial, or we can create an agent with Generative AI that we will show you a bit later. And the third option is to create an agent from a template, which is unfortunately not available in developer org. So let's get started. On the screen that I'm sharing, you can see that I'm on the home setup page. So from here, just type agent. And this brought us to the Agent Studio page. If you don't see agents in your setup, you need to enable them first. If you are interested about how to do it, please check out our previous video where we explained it. We will share the link to this video in the description. And here on the right, you can see the New Agent button. After clicking it, there are three options of creating an agent. The first one is create from a template. Then we have generate with Generative AI. And the third one is AgentForce setup, which is the simplest one. So let's start with this one. This is a special type of agent which is designed specifically to help with Salesforce setup tasks. Think of it as an internal assistant that can help admins configure Salesforce more efficiently. It's limited to internal use and generally not intended for customer-facing scenarios. Let's navigate there and click Create. You can see that it was created with some default topics, and we can test it right away in this conversation preview pane on the right. After typing the instruction, you can see the steps that the agent is taking. Right now, he's analyzing the request, then figuring out next steps, and then working. And in the end, it provides the answer. So you can see that the user I've specified has all the possible permission on the campaign object. And here in the middle, you can see all the steps that the agent has taken. So there's the user prompt, then it selected the relevant topic from all the available topics, and then the action, and then it provided the response. To activate the agent, we just need to click the Activate button. Perfect. So let's take a look at other agents. The second way of creating an agent is creating it with Generative AI. So just choose this option and then provide some details about what the agent should do. After that, click Next. And this open a wizard for defining some details about the agent. So you can see that some fields were already filled in automatically. Then we should type company name and company description. We should also include the company's name, products, and any other relevant business details. Then we should assign the agent to a user. This determines what the agent can access and do. And we can also enrich the event logs with more details about the prompts that the user is giving to the agent. And then click Next. And now you can see the magic of Generative AI. There were many topics created automatically based on the instructions that I provided before. And if you want to, you can also add more topics of your choice, clicking this button and specifying the details of the topic. The next step is adding data. To be able to do that, you need to have the data code enabled. And the last step is clicking this Create button, which unfortunately doesn't work in developer org, so this will just give me an error. And the last way of creating an agent, which I will just briefly show you, is from a template. And as I have mentioned, it's not available in the developer edition. So you can see that create from a template doesn't allow me to get further. If you found this video useful, please don't hesitate to give it a like and subscribe for more Salesforce AI tips. Thank you.